going to present phases, SDLC phase, start business practices, environment, how software planning phase, planning phase, project leaders of the project calculate your cost, creating a timetable, target goal, creating the project team, um, structure, performance. Performance is planning, determine what the application performance. Example, social media, wire the ability, enter design. Design has some of the aspect is architecture, interface, programming, communication, security. These aspects, software support is software development. Software development uses access control and source code help deliver the developers track change code. They also help ensure compatibility between different team projects and make sure target goals are being met. Fifth is testing. Testing can be automated like security testing. Other testing can only be done in a environment. Consider creating a simulated production environment for complex deployments. And six is deployment. Deployment can be as simple as a payment portal and download link on the company website. It could also be downloading an application or smartphone. And yeah, SDLC stages cover complete life cycle of a software from intercept to retirement of the product. Also process process of or um SDLC is a process that various stages in the quality product. Software development life cycle software life there so this one is viral, iterative and critical, bang, agile mode. For the first one, waterfall model is the very first model that is used in SDL. It is also known as the linear sequential model. Also, waterfall has advantages. Waterfall is a simple which can be easily understood and is one in which all the phases are done step by step, but it is time consuming and cannot be used in the short duration project as in this model. A new page cannot be started ongoing phases. We have V-shaped model, or also known as verification and validation. In this model, verification and validation hand in hand. Development and testing goes parallel. V model and waterfall model are the same except that the test planning and testing start at an early stage. V model is a simple and easily understandable model, but it is not good for ongoing projects and it required change at the later stage would cost too high. Third one is prototype. Prototype is a model in which the prototype is developed prior to the actual software. It has limited. small capabilities and insufficient performance when compared to the actual software. Prototype model reduces the cost and time of development as the specs are found much earlier. But if the customer is involved in the every phase, the customer can change the requirement of the end product, which increases the complexity of the scope and may increase the delivery time of the product. Spiral model. The spiral model includes iterative and prototype approach. Risk analysis is done extensively using prototype models, and the cost can be high as it may take a large number of iteration, which can lead to high time to reach the final product. Iterative incremental model. It divides the product into small chunks. Change in the requirement can be easily done and would not cause as there is a scope of incorporating the new requirement in the next iteration. But complete requirement and understanding of a product are required to down and build increment. Big Bang model. Big Bang model does not have any defined process. Money and efforts are put together as the input and output come as a developed product. Big Bang model does not require much planning and schedule. The developer does the requirement analysis and coding and develops the other as per his understanding. The developer has the flexibility to build the software of their own, but it cannot be used for large, ongoing, and complex projects. And last but not least, model is a combination of iterative and incremental model. This model focuses more flexibility while developing a product rather than on the requirement. Customer satisfaction is the feedback and suggestions are taken at every stage, but if a customer is not clear about how exactly they want the product to be, then the project would fail. And that's all. Have a good